Hi everyone, Mr. Hawkins with Hawkins Tech, and in this video I want to talk about the iPhone 17. Now, the iPhone 16s have been out for about 2 months at this point, but usually when a new iPhone comes out, we start hearing leaks and rumors about next year's iPhone, and this year is no exception. So let's get right to it. So we already have our first images. We've had images for quite a while, but now we have images of what the redesigns could look like of the iPhone 17. So I'm going to share these with you right now. From the left, we have the iPhone 17 Air, and to the right, we have the iPhone 17 Pro. Let's start off with the iPhone 17 Air. So with the iPhone 17 Air, you can see here it is only going to have one camera. Kind of like the iPhone SE and iPhone XR, Apple is only going to give the iPhone 17 Air one singular camera. Also, we now have a rectangular camera bump rather than a square camera bump like we had for the past 5 years, ever since the iPhone 11. To the right, we have the iPhone 17 Pro. This will be the biggest change yet. Usually we have a square module with two vertical cameras, and then a third camera fits slightly in the middle with the flashlight on the top and LiDAR on the bottom. Well, now with the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple is going to do sort of a Google Pixel design with the same rectangular camera bump found on the iPhone 17 Air, except they're going to have three cameras across the top with the flashlight and LiDAR on the far right, with the LiDAR underneath the flashlight. Personally, I think this will be a nice change for the new iPhone 17 since the current change we've had for the past 5 years. As far as what to expect with the new iPhone 17, well, Apple is going to switch from titanium to aluminum. The current iPhone, the regular ones, already have aluminum, and the Air model will be 5 to 6 millimeters thick. It will be the thinnest iPhone so far. It will have a single speaker. Personally, I don't know what to think about this, as I like iPhones to have two speakers, but because of it being so thin, Apple is going to give the iPhone 17 Air a top speaker only and no bottom speaker. Again, I don't know how I would feel about this, but it's only early on, and this could change over the coming months. It is also expected that it is going to have a single camera just like the iPhone XR and iPhone SE. It will have its own 5G chip. Apple is working on its own 5G chip, no millimeter wave this time around, and no SIM card tray either. It will also have a smaller battery. Because this is the thinnest iPhone, it will have a smaller battery. Now then, here is a look at the iPhone 17 Pro. This is the change we've been waiting for. Now, as you can see with the iPhone 17 Air, we have, again, that rectangular camera bump with just one camera and a flashlight, but the overall bump is not a square like it used to be for the past 5 years. And they've carried that over to the Pro and Pro Max line, which is also going to be aluminum and no longer titanium. We have three cameras all the way across with the flashlight and the LiDAR sensor on the far right. Although there's also another design where there's a part of it where the back is sort of curved below the camera bump, and then there's a lighter part. It's like a sort of two-tone design from what I can tell via this image. Now, as of now, we don't know any color options for the new iPhone 17. I'm quite sure that will be leaked as we get closer to its release. But we do have the rectangular camera bump with three cameras, a flashlight, and LiDAR. As far as when to expect its release, I would expect the iPhone 17s, all models, to release in September 2025, which we're quite a ways away. They will ship with iOS 19, and as far as leaks and rumors about iOS 19, I will get into that a little bit. Apple is going to make Siri more smarter than ever. Now, I just heard about these leaks and rumors, so I have to do a little bit more research, but we will find out probably in June. As far as when to expect WWDC, well, this past year it was held on June 10th, which was a little bit odd as usually WWDC is on the first Monday of June. So if Apple wants to do that again in 2025, we could see WWDC held on Monday, June 9th, 2025, but we won't know that 100% until we get invites probably in late March. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the iPhone 17. I'm Mr. Hawkins with Hawkins Tech. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace.